Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the absolutely best spicy apps on your Fire Sticks or Android TVs with the free content for grown-ups only, if you know what I mean. So first of all, what you gotta do is get the app called Loader on your Fire Stick. You can actually get it totally for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device, and then here in the search bar, we need to start typing downloader. And as you can see, the loader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you got the loader, it is actually not over yet, because we still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up the loader on your device, what we have to do is go to settings. Here they are. Let's open the settings. Then you need to scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Let's open My Fire TV as well. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So, if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, there's no need to worry because it's actually easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now just start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see the developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then need to go to install unknown apps, open it, and from here all you have to do is locate the loader and turn that option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. We open it and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. And in my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Netherlands right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with the camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. Or alternatively, you can also get the IPVanish VPN instead of Nord. It is also a really decent VPN service, which is a little bit cheaper, and we do also have a discount code for them as well in a pinned comment of the video or in the description of the video. So it's totally up to you, it's either NordVPN or IPVanish. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we open up the application. And then here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home, and then here in the search bar we need to start entering the codes. So the first code is gonna be 572048. So once again, it's 572048. That's the code that you have to enter. Then hit that go button, and now in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. But in some cases and on some devices, the download for some reason doesn't start. So if on your Fire Stick the download doesn't work, then there's an alternative code as well. So the alternative code that you should enter in home would be 438713. That's in the case if the first code does not work for you. So you just enter alternative code and now the download should start. Yep, there you go, so the download has started. Now we just wait until it finishes on our Fire Stick device. Then you just click install and now the app will finalize installation on your Fire TV. And then don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll have an option to actually delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. That way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space on it anyway. And then if you go to the list of apps on your devices, which is right here, you open it and there's the app that we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the application is always going to be at the very top of your application list and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and private while using such apps. So that was the first code we used in the downloader to get you one of those Spice applications, but it is not the last one. So now we just go back to the downloader, click on home, erase the previous code, and I'll show you a couple more really decent applications. So the second code is going to be 863078. Once again, 863078. That's the code. Let's click on go, and now the download will start in just a couple of seconds. There you go. Just wait until the file is downloaded on your Fire Stick device. That doesn't take so long, only a couple of seconds. Then we click on install and just wait until the app has finally installed on our devices. And then, just like previously, we click on done and get rid of those unnecessary installation files. And now, if you go to a list of apps on your device, you'll find the second spicy app that we have just downloaded for you. Let's put it up front as well. And now we got 2 amazing apps. And that's not it. We go back to the loader and I'll show you one more code, which is going to be 285356. So once again, 285356. Hit that little go button and just follow the same process as always. Wait until the download starts, then install the app, delete the installation files, and pretty much that's it. This way you get 3 amazing spicy apps on your Fire Stick. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.